Students, our virtual trip to the European continent that continues. Now we will learn about the North European plains. It extends from southern United Kingdom, that means Great Britain, in the west and extends up to the Russian part. That means when we consider the physical boundary, it extends from the Atlantic Ocean in the west and Ural Mountains in the east. And in the northern boundary, it is White Sea and it extends up to the central highlands in the southern part of the continent. The North Plains, it is the one of the largest uninterrupted plains on the earth. It is also known as Great European Plains. These plains, they have a roughly triangular shape and it is having some undulating features like there are some irregular structure and it is not a completely flat surface. It is having some gentle rolling lands with the small hills. The shallow North Sea. In the map you can see North Sea, it is very close to the Norwegian region. Then Baltic Sea, which is very close to or east of the North Sea. And White Sea in the north means east of the Finland. These water bodies also considered as a part of the plains, but they are submerged in the water because of the glacial erosion. What are the main features of these North European plains? Let us check the features one by one. First one, they are roughly triangular in shape that we already discussed. And these are either flat or gently undulating plains. Means some areas they are flat leveled terrain, but some other region they have a very gentle slope. They are named as undulating plains or rolling plains where there is some small hills present. How these plains are formed? They are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers on their course. Otherwise, these alluvial deposits are brought by the glaciers. And these plains, they are drained by a number of north flowing rivers. These rivers are originating from the highlands, which is located south of the European plains. Which are the major rivers of Europe? First, we can see the north flowing rivers, the Seine, the Rhine, the Elbe, the Oder, the Vistula. These are the important north flowing rivers. They are originating from the mountains or highlands in the southern part of the European continent. Then the rivers that drain the European Russia means in the Russian part but which lies in the European continent drained by the Don, the Dnieper, Volga and the Urals. What is the importance of rivers in European continent? These rivers are navigable because these rivers are flowing through a plain terrain. Because of that, these rivers are interconnected to facilitate water transport, which is a cheapest mode of transport. These rivers are used for irrigation and hydropower generation. Major towns and cities are located along their banks. For example, the London that is located on the riverbank of Thames, and Rome that's situated on the riverbank of Tiber. The city of Moscow is situated on the riverbank of Volga. Danube, it is the busiest river in Europe because it used as a waterway between different countries. It connects the cities like Vienna, Budapest, and Belgrade. Do you know which is the longest river in Europe? It is river Volga, which is flowing through the country of Russia. And the second longest river, that is Danube, that means the busiest river, Danube, that is the second longest river in Europe. That's all for today. Thank you.